Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Banzai Bill from Super Mario Brothers. It's like those big bullets that are shooting out of the cannon. This is going to be for beginners, and it's going to be super simple and easy. It's going to be step by step. All you have to do is follow along with me. And like I said, if you've never drawn anything in your life, you can totally do this. Grab a marker, grab a pen. I prefer a marker, especially a black one. It would really help for specifically Banzai Bill. So let's get going. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a straight line for the bottom of this bullet shape. I'm going to pull a curved line toward the front. And think of it like almost like a lipstick or something. And then I'm going to pull it around to the top. It's going to pull back. And it's up to you how long you want to make it, really. But I want to tell you like about this level. And then I'm going to straight line down for the first part of that bullet. Pull it in, pull it in, and then I'm going to draw another line